$15, 185, so I'm down 5, and I made 20, so net is $15 on Tesla, but yeah, it's kind of surprising. Okay, I get Maxime again, as always. I guess we'll play the same line again, as always. How boring. Here we go again. I believe knight g6 is what I played. Now c5. Okay, we're gonna get the same line. This is what I played before, right? Okay, it goes rook e4, so he changes it up. Let's go here. I could play h5 g6. I'm just gonna go h5 g6 here. Why not? I mean, g5, it was, I think it was a different line that it liked g5, I think. I'll go g6, why not? Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh. Okay, one interesting move. Okay, it gives me c4 again. I'm gonna go for it again. Okay, he takes, okay. A little bit surprised by that. I'm gonna go here now. I mean, I'm down a pawn, but these pawns are kind of a little bit weak here. Or I thought they were. Maybe they aren't. Go here. Maybe pressure the knight. I'm not sure I believe in what Maxime has done. Let's go here. I mean, there's always bishop b4. Logical. Really not concerned, though. I'm just going to go here. Like, I feel like I'm okay here. It's really hard to believe that I can be worse here, by the way. Really hard to believe. I can go c6. I can also probably trade and create an outside pawn. Think about this for a second, though. Let's go here. Go here. Oh, I did blunder this, actually. Let me think about this. Maybe I think I'm gonna go here to go here. This way, if he takes, I trade and I cover the pawn. Did I misplay this somehow? I feel like I misplayed this. I'm not sure why. But I have this strange feeling that I misplayed this. Yeah, I've got the strange feeling that I misplayed this. I'm gonna go c6 and b5 somewhere soon. Let's go here and c5, actually. I don't want to go c5, but c5 and rook d3 is playable. I gotta be careful how I do this. No, I misplayed this a little bit. I feel like I misplayed this. I'm not sure why, but I just have a strange feeling that I misplayed this. Yeah, I did. I did misplay. Let's go check. Okay, he goes there, which I'm a little surprised by. Let's just go here. I'm way down on clock again, like for the 20th time. Yeah, now I just blundered. Wait. I blundered, of course. Careless. Or do I have king d5 maybe? No, he's got rook d4. Why am I suddenly blind? Yeah, I just blundered this away. Frittered this away, as they say. I just missed c5. I needed the rook on d8. Way to throw such a great evening title Tuesday. Really, I mean, what was a very, very good title Tuesday. And I'm so far down on clock for no good reason. I just frittered this away. I just have to sit and wait. Yeah, I just threw this game. Super careless by me. Super careless.